Do you think that starting a business in Nigeria with just 100,000 naira is impossible? What if I told you that people are actually turning that very small money into millions just by choosing the right business? My name is Steve, and I bring to you practical business ideas, real side hustles, and personal finance tips to help you grow and manage your money. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 of the best businesses you can start in Nigeria today with 100,000 naira or less. And these are businesses that real Nigerians are already making money from. So, if you're serious about building income in this very tight economy, stick with me to the end of this video because one of these ideas might be exactly what you are looking for. First on the list of profitable businesses you can start with 100,000 naira is thrift business, also known as Okrika business. This one is booming everywhere in Nigeria. You can start with as little as 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira, or you can go big with 100,000 naira to buy a full bill. The trick is to specialize, maybe corporate wears, blazers, gym outfits, or even party dresses. For example, a wear you buy for 500 naira in the market can sell for 3,000 naira on Instagram if you present it well. The work is mostly in the ironing, taking clean photos and marketing. For example, my wife does this on the side. Aside from being a fashion designer, she focuses on materials for men's trousers, senator wears and suits. Nigerians love looking good on budget, and thrift fashion is one of the best ways that they do it. So, this is a good business. Now, number 2 on the list is unbranded tissue and serviette business. Many restaurants and small eateries, they don't buy expensive branded serviettes. They buy in bulk directly from markets like Trade Fair or Balogun in Lagos. Now, with your 100,000 naira, you can buy unbranded tissues in bulk, resell them to restaurants, shops, and even households. Some people even had extra packaging or branding so that they can stand out, and the profit margin is big, sometimes up to 50% or more. And let's be real, tissues are something that people use every day, so there's constant demand for this. The third one is palm oil business. Palm oil is gold mine in Nigeria. With 120,000 naira, you can buy two 25-liter kegs from the east and resell them in locations like Lagos or Abuja and get a good profit. For example, if you buy one 25-liter keg at around 60,000 naira, then you break it down into smaller 5-liter containers and you sell each for at least 15,000 naira to 20,000 naira. That's serious profit. Now, the secret is simple. Find a reliable supplier and sell only clean, fresh oil. Nigerians know quality, so when they see a quality oil, a good oil, they come back looking for more. You can start by supplying friends and families or colleagues before moving into bulk sales. One of the motto of this channel is start small and grow big. So you don't have to start big, just start small. The fourth business idea is starting a delivery agent service with almost zero capital. Businesses are always struggling with dispatch riders. Some riders delay, some disappoint customers, some even handle things unprofessionally, and that's where you come in. What do? Here's the model. Instead of buying a bike, you act as a middleman. Partner with Bolt, Uber, or other transport apps. Now, when a business needs a delivery, you book a ride. You charge your client a little higher and you keep the difference. So let me give you an example. Let's say Bolt charges 2,000 naira. You charge 3,000 naira, you charge your client, and you make 1,000 naira just like that. Now, do that multiple times a day, and the money adds up. So it is simple, fast, and it requires almost no capital. You can even use your 100,000 naira to go into advertising your services online. Now, let's move to the next business, which is jewelry business. Women love jewelry, nothing else. And the good news is you don't need much money to start. If you go to Balogun Market or Onisha Market, you'll see earrings, bracelets, and even rings that cost as low as 2,500 naira. And these same items you can sell on Instagram for as high as 8,000 naira or 10,000 naira or even more. That's more than double or triple profit for you. Now, with 100,000 naira, you can buy a lot of stock and you can even do a form of drop shipping. What I mean is, you post nice pictures, you collect payment from that person that is interested, you buy the item, then you deliver to that person with that person's money. So just make sure your jewelry looks very classy and people are going to look for it. Now, these are the 5 business ideas that you can start in Nigeria today with 100,000 naira or less. Thrift business, unbranded tissue or serviettes, palm oil business, delivery agent service business, then jewelry business. Now, all of these businesses you can grow into something bigger if you stay consistent. Now it's over to you. Which of these business ideas do you think that you can start right now? Let us know in the comment section by dropping your opinion and your thoughts. This idea or comment might inspire someone to start. So if you found this video very helpful, please like it, share it with someone, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more business ideas, side hustles, and personal finance tips. Once again, my name is Steve, and I'll see you in another one.